Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. There likely may be a fracas, the showdown between the IPOB family or those supporting Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB family worldwide and the government of the day, as they have kicked against the mandate and the ultimatum given to them by the IPOB. You're going to get the full details in a moment and how this showdown may likely go. But before we do so, like it, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, the Southeast states, some police kicks as IPOB issues sit-at-home order. Some state government and police commands in the southeast have kicked against an order by the indigenous people of Biafra, declaring every Monday a sit-at-home day from August 9 until its leader Nnamdi Kanu is released from the detention of the Department of State Services. The police and state government asked the people to go about their businesses, assuring them of their safety, stating that they would not condone any act of intimidation from IPOB. Kanu, who was rearrested in June in Kenya and extradited to Nigeria, is facing a treasonable felony offense. During a resumed hearing of his case as at Monday, Federal High Court in Abuja, his matter was adjourned till October 21st following the failure of the DSS to produce him in court. IPOB, in a statement by the group's media and publicity secretary Ima Powerful on Friday, said, "We, the global family of the indigenous people of Biafra, wish to announce to all Biafran citizens, friends of Biafra, lovers of Biafran freedom and independence, that IPOB leadership has declared every Monday a Ghost Monday. This declaration takes effect from Monday, August 9th, 2021. From that day, Biafra land will be on lockdown every Monday from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. until our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, who was unlawfully abducted in Kenya and illegally detained by the federal government of Nigeria, is released. The DSS should know that if anything untoward happens to him, we are going to confirm what IPOB is made of. And they will understand that we are prepared for this freedom. Our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, is not a criminal and has the right to be visited in custody. We declare every Monday a sit-at-home day throughout Biafra land until our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, regains his freedom. The federal government must allow him access to his personal physicians and allow him to sign documents given to him by the British government to provide him consular assistance. This peaceful protest will continue once every week until our demands are met." The group added, "Consequently, all institutions, that's public and private, transport companies, schools, banks, markets, airports, seaports in Biafra land must shut down every Monday beginning from August 9th. People are to remain indoors to register their concern over the fate of our leader and the rest of all agitators languishing in various security detentions." However, the Anambra state government, while reacting to IPOB's order, said there were plans to ensure the people of the state were not intimidated by anybody. The State Commissioner for Information and Public Enlightenment, CDON Adenuba, said, "We won't disclose our plans to the media, but I want to assure you that we have big plans to ensure that our people are free from any form of intimidation." Similarly, the Anambra State Police Command on Friday said there was no need to be alarmed over IPOB's threats. The State Police Public Relations Officer Ikenga Tochukwu said the command was committed to the protection of the people of the state. "I have not seen the IPOB statement, but what I can assure you is that the command is fully prepared and committed to giving maximum protection to the Anambra people. Nothing will stop us from doing that," he said. Similarly, the Imo State government said Governor Hope Uzodinma was too focused on delivering good governance to be distracted by IPOB. The governor's aide to print media, Modestus Nwampa, said, "What matters to us as a government is our contract with the people. Governor Uzodinma does not want to be distracted. He wants to sustain the peace we have achieved." He also added. Also, the Ebonyi State Police Command on Friday dismissed IPOB's threat, saying it's a sit-at-home order can't hold in the state. That's their own sit-at-home order can't hold in the state. The police said any attempt by IPOB to enforce the order in the state will be met with fierce resistance, with stressing that nobody has a right to infringe on another's fundamental human rights. The State Commissioner of Police, Aliyu Gaba, in a statement and in a telephone interview with one of our correspondents, said, "We will resist such a move by IPOB." Gaba stated, "This is one threat too many. It can't work here. We will make sure it doesn't hold. We have put serious and adequate security measures in place to ensure that this can't happen. People should go about their lawful business from that day because nobody has the right to infringe on another one's rights." Kai, this is really becoming something else. Right now, it's a showdown, it's a countdown. 9th of August is the beginning of it all. And that night is unique in the sense that they're saying it will be every Monday of the week, of every other week, as in Monday, each Monday, like that, this Monday, next Monday, until Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released from detention. And the people, the government, the security apparatus, the security officials are saying it's not going to happen. So it's now going to be a case of IPOB versus the people of the government of the day. And if you notice very quickly, you notice that Anambra State governor spoke, as Anambra State government spoke, Imo State and Ebonyi State spoke. Enugu and Abia were quiet about it. It doesn't mean that they're not, in tune. They just don't believe in public talking through the media. They believe in putting things in action. I also remember that some days back, to some hours ago, the lead counsel of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu had warned that there shouldn't be anything untoward that may hamper their better chances. Okay, they said they're asking for sit at home. That's good. It's a peaceful protest. And every Monday, everybody in Biafra land should stay away from commercial activities in honor in honor of their leader that is in detention. Now the government of the day is countering it, saying you cannot give such order and you cannot infringe on other people's freedom of movement, freedom of association at any day because it's not a public holiday. Now this is going to be one showdown too many. Now my personal opinion, now I would have said, if you want to show solidarity, don't forget that for every Monday, okay, that these people are staying back at home, the country itself is very tough. Okay, yes, in trying to show solidarity shows oneness, but if you are doing that and your government is not even President Muhammad Buhari that is even fighting this right now, it's even the government of the so-called southeastern states in particular that are going to give them this showdown. It's not going to be funny, I tell you. Let's meet in